Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So we're asked to estimate the number of bit operations used to subtract two binary numbers. So this is fairly simple. If you have one binary number and you're subtracting from another binary number, then you're going to do, and this number is n digits long, then you're going to do at least n subtractions. And let's say you have to carry two. If you have to carry ones when you're doing the subtraction, then the most you can carry is just these four here. So that's n minus 1. So in total, this process is O of n. But specifically, it's n plus n minus 1, which is just 2n minus 1 bit operations.